Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your domain to your Blogger website. So this is a brand new website that I'm working on. Nothing much in it, just a manga website and stuff like that. So to connect your domain, you have to go over to settings, and down here you can see that this here is the default domain that comes when you open a Blogger website. That's when you create a Blogger account. All you need to do is to click on create custom domain, and to get a custom domain, there are a lot of services out there that actually offer this service, but in this video I'll be making use of Whogohost. So here in Whogohost, you can actually buy a domain. Check out the description for the link going to Whogohost, and you can actually request for the video on how to buy a domain from Whogohost. From here you can see that these are my domains, and I'm making use of the second one just down below here. Make sure the domain name server is pointing towards the Whogohost. Okay, make sure your domain is pointing towards Whogohost. Okay, so from here you have to check the name server, go over to custom name server, and make sure yours is just the same like what is on my screen. Go to DNS, and from there, once you open up DNS, all you have to do right now is to add DNS zone, the blue button up there. You have to add the DNS domain name. We're going to be adding a new domain name there. So from here, once you've added it, you just confirm, click on confirm, and give it a little minute depending on how your network is fast, and then go over to edit DNS zone. But before that, you have to copy the URL. Click on that and copy the URL to the domain. Paste it on your Blogger where it says custom domain, and here you have to make sure that it starts with www.thedomainname.com.ng in my case, and you have to make sure you remove the / if it comes together while you pasted it there, and click on save. So once you save it, it's going to bring up this error for you. All this is that it's telling you should actually add a few more records from your Whogohost. So I'm going to show you how to do this right now. So the first one here, we're going to copy the name. Copy that, click on edit DNS. Once it opens up for you, so now this is the DNS zone of this domain name here, and from here you can see there are some default records here. All you will need to do right now is to go back here and start from the name. Copy this, make sure you're copying only the text. Copy that, click on add record. Once you click on add a record, from here right now you're going to paste the name from the one we just copied, and then for the type, we're going to check out the type, and for the type we're just going to leave it we're just going to copy this stuff here after the destination, and we're going to set the type to CNAME. Okay, after you've added your CNAME, just down below, paste the one we just copied right now. Click on confirm, wait for that to confirm. Okay, so that's the first one. So the second one right now, we're going to copy www.googlehs.google.com. So for that, now we're just going to actually copy that. But since we already have www.name here, we're actually we can actually just exit omit that one there. All you need to do is to edit this one here. Click on edit, and you have to just put in the one we just copied, ghs.google.com. Click on confirm, and let's move over to the next one. So that's the second one. And the third one, we're going to add a new DNS record. Go back to your blogger.com. It's not going to connect directly if you leave it like this. It might take up to an hour. Click on support page link, and from here it's going to take you to support.google.com. Here we're going to actually make use of some few Google IPs. So you can see we should remove the existing A records. So for this one right now, you can see that all these numbers are the same, but the only difference is between the 2468. So for this right now, copy this first one, which is the one that has the 2. Go to your Google host and put on A record, and as it says, it's an A record. The name would be art, and then for the address, we're just going to paste the one we copied just now. Confirm it. Once you've confirmed that, leave it for a little while. Okay, it's all good right now. So the second one right now, the second IP we'll be adding would be that same IP, but this one would have a 4. Same process. Name would be arts, and address, we're just going to paste the one we copied, but from here you're going to change this to 4. After the 32, which is the previous one, the new one would be 34. Confirm it and give it some time. Okay, once we have done that, we have to go to the third one. Right now, same process. Type A name, put it on at, and the address, paste the same one we have, but instead of 38, it's going to be 36. Save it, confirm it, and the next one, we're just going to add the final one. Type A art, and for the address, this is going to be 38. Okay, simple, and just click confirm, and we're done. So after we've added all those stuff, you have to just cross check. This is the 2, the 4, the 6, and the 8. It's not going to be numerically aligned, but just make sure you confirm it. Since the record is already there, it's good. All you need to do right now, check it, and we've done everything we have to do right now. All you would need to do right now is go back, refresh the page, so that we'll have to make sure that there is no error message from from the record we just added. Go back to manage DNS, so we can check, like I said, if there is going to be an error. Okay, click on edit DNS. So from here, it's going to open up for us. Okay, so as you can see right now, everything is in order and there is no error. So one thing you should know here is that after we've added those DNS record, the domain would not connect instantly. It's going to connect after, let's say, like 30 minutes to an hour, but rest assured, it's going to connect within 24 hours. That's just the max. But if it didn't connect from after 24 hours, you can just go ahead and message the support. But from my case that I've been connecting domains to Blogger, it usually takes 30 to an hour. Yeah, that's the time frame. So go ahead and click on redirect this one. You have to turn that on, and once you've turned that on, you have to go, you can see right now, this is the previous domain, and now this is the custom domain. So if you click view blog, it's going to actually take us to this the domain, but you can see because there are still some process that you need to take, that's why it's still showing that error on Google. You have to turn on this HTTPS availability, and then you have to turn off HTTPS redirects. Okay, make sure you don't make sure that everything is working fine. These are just a few settings you should carry out. Scroll down, scroll all the way down, and make sure you turn on latest updates settings there. Just look for it, and okay, yeah, from here it's already on. Okay, so that's the latest update. If you guys are having problems setting this up, you can actually just drop a comment telling me which part you're finding it difficult, and I will try my best to respond to you ASAP. Okay, as you can see right now, it's redirecting now to my new domain. Give it some time, 30 minutes to an hour, and it's going to be in order. All right guys, thanks for watching this video. See you guys on the next one. Peace out.